Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a cook and clean with me. I am going to be making the infamous Marry Me chicken. I think a lot of you guys have seen it all over YouTube. A lot of YouTubers have made it, and I thought I'll just jump on that bandwagon and make it as well. And so I'm gonna walk you guys over the ingredients, and after cooking it we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning in my kitchen because it is looking like a hot mess. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you get motivated to make this recipe, go ahead and do so. Let me know how you like it if you do make it, and yeah, clean with me as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to go over the ingredients, you are going to need some heavy cream. Here in Canada it's called table cream, in case you go look for heavy cream and you can't find it. Extra virgin olive oil. You're gonna need some chicken broth and some garlic. I like to use this minced garlic from Costco. I just hate peeling and crushing all that garlic. And you're gonna need some sun-dried tomatoes, some chili flakes, some thyme, and some fresh basil. Of course, you're gonna need some chicken. You're gonna need about 3 to 4 pieces of the chicken breast, and you will also need some fresh Parmesan cheese, as well as your salt and your pepper to season the chicken. So let's go ahead and get started on the cooking. So to start off, I preheated my oven to 375 degrees. And also, I forgot to mention, for this recipe, you will need an oven-safe skillet or a cast iron skillet like the one that I am using. So go ahead and add your olive oil to your skillet and turn on the stove to high to medium heat and allow it to heat up. And now you want to go ahead and season your chicken very generously with your salt and your pepper. And then once you are done with the seasoning, you want to go ahead and brown the chicken, and you want to hear that sizzle. Make sure it's sizzling because you really want to brown the chicken well. And you want to do the browning for about 5 minutes on each side. And once that's done, you want to go ahead and set the chicken on the side. So once you have set the chicken aside, in the same skillet, go ahead and add your garlic and your thyme. And you want to do the garlic for about a minute before you add the thyme to it. So the recipe calls for pepper flakes, and you would add them after you have added the thyme, but I chose to leave them out so that my babies could eat it as well. I do want to remake it though soon with the flakes and see how good it is, because honestly this recipe was so delicious, and I can't express enough how easy it was to make, and it's so quick. So I really hope that you guys go ahead and try it. Now you want to add your liquids, so you have to start with the chicken broth. And after that, you want to add in your heavy cream and stir for about 5 minutes on and off.
So again, I will make sure that I will leave the exact recipe in the description below, because I'm not really mentioning the exact measurements in the video for the sake of it being quick, but I will definitely leave it down below, so go ahead and check it out. So yeah, now you then want to go ahead and you want to add your sun-dried tomatoes, and after that you want to go ahead and also add your Parmesan cheese at this moment. After mixing everything really good, you want to go ahead and you add back your chicken, and make sure that you go ahead and you spoon some of the sauce on top of the chicken as well. So at this point your oven should be heated, and you want to go ahead and put the skillet right in there and bake the chicken for the remainder of the cooking time, and you want to do about 15 to 18 minutes. And yeah, see how easy it was? Nothing to it. Once it is done, you want to go ahead and you garnish it with your basil. Fresh basil smells so good, but yeah, I added a ton to it. And yeah, after you add the basil, you want to add a little bit more of the Parmesan cheese and make it nice and gooey. So good, you guys. I am like so hungry just doing the voiceover and watching the video all over again, but I love this recipe. So I served mine with some basmati rice and some corn on the side, and it was so good. Now to the fun part. So let's go ahead and do some cleaning. I like to always clean after I cook, so yeah, let's get it done, guys.
Tambourine, bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it, that's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it, crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way.
If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cook and clean with me, and tag me on Instagram if you make the recipe. I want to see how yours turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
From my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing is